Now the best way to go about it is something known as Bootstrap. Okay, so Bootstrap is basically a CSS based framework which is used to add style to the website and make it responsive. So for getting Bootstrap, we need to go to getbootstrap.com, and when you open it, you will see download Bootstrap here. So once you go there are two ways to go about it. The first way is you download the zip file, which will give you all the CSS files that are there in Bootstrap, and then you need to link to all the Bootstrap files here in your header. The second way to go about it is, if you have a working internet connection, you just need to copy this particular line which says bootstrap.min.css. just copy this and again paste it here, and I'll end the link tag here. So this link tag will basically add that style sheet to our website, right? So now when we refresh this, we see that basically nothing has changed, and even if I minimize it, the image is still the same. However, how Bootstrap works is that there are different classes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, I'll give you a quick example. I'll go to my image and I'll add something called as img-circle. Okay, so now see what happens. Right now our image is a square, right? As you can see, it is a square, a perfect square, 100 by 100, right? So now when we refresh this and when we run this again, you see that the image has actually become a circle and it looks much more neater than a square, right? So there are hundreds of different types of these things in Bootstrap which helps our website look exceptionally beautiful. For instance, if you want to make the image responsive, you just need to add another class, and that is called img-responsive. Okay, so this is the image which we want to make responsive. So I'll go and I'll write img-responsive here, and that does it. Okay, so when I refresh the file and I do it now as you can see, whenever I change the screen size, the image is adjusting itself, right? So that is the beauty of Bootstrap.